Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got a new radio to show you. Actually, it's not a new radio. It's new to me, but it's been around for at least 2 years. And this was sent to me by my good friend Thomas. And I want to show it to you. This is going to be kind of a quick video because, well, you'll see why. This is the Greadio model T26 AM FM shortwave. That's about it. There's no MP3 player, no Bluetooth, doesn't even have memories, and therefore no search or ATS. Let me get my notes here. I'm getting confused already. It's on sale on Amazon for about $36, which is way overpriced, and I want to show you why. There was also a MD-T16, which looked very much like this, but it was only AM and FM. That's it. First problem, not the highest problem, but just first problem is, if I have it turned on, no, I don't. This is big volume knob on off, tone high and low, band select, AM, FM, shortwave. Can be powered either with an AC cord, which it comes with, so it has the AC to DC converter built in, or 4 D-cell batteries. 4 D-cell batteries. Whew, makes it really heavy. Carrying handle, telescopic antenna, which is about 28 inches. The shortwave band, let me move this over here before I knock it over. Turn on the back here, and we can see if my camera will adjust. You can see the shortwave band is 4.7 to 18 megahertz. Okay, now we get that out of the way. I mean, it is convenient that it has the AC adapter built in. Let's turn it on. This is shortwave. I was not able to pick up anything on shortwave. And one of the reasons, I'll try to show you here, is the tuning. The tuning jumps so bad. It is really hard to tune in a specific frequency. Like if I want to tune in 10 megahertz, okay. Now turning is real slow. See it jump? I'm turning it really as slow as I can. Okay, I missed it. See, I missed it. Go back. Yep, missed it again. Go forward. There, I got it. 10 megahertz. Absolutely nothing. No signal whatsoever. Make it noisier. Put my finger on it. Okay, let's go to AM.
Getting our own moment.
Ooh, we got plenty of volume. The sound quality is very good. Big speaker.
Yeah, they're saying.
So there's 970. Okay, that tuning is good.
2000.
So that's fine. AM is fine. FM, have to watch out for music. Oh. Hello. Well, here's another problem. Well, am I cutting the... No, I got that on. I don't know what's going on here. That switch. I thought it was going to be a short review. Okay. Now we're on FM. Yeah, there's music. Okay, that tuning is fine. We'll go to 89.7.
Yellowy tinge.
That's good.
Yellowy tinge, and I'd
Good.
developed
Lots of volume. Very clear. Oh, not so bad. So that's it. Not much more to say. So shortwave, forget about it. The tuning, it doesn't receive hardly any stations. Shortwave, this might as well be the AM/FM version. They just threw shortwave on the dial, and it's ridiculous. AM and FM is fine. Audio is fine. Let me just see. We were on, I think, talk radio. Don't want to have
saved. Thank you for what we've heard today.
Tone.
Thanks, Mara. Now, this program has really left me wondering about the situation. Would you be willing to donate your organs? What are your thoughts on all of this? Do send me your ideas on email to peoplefixingtheworld@bbc.co.uk.
Not a big difference. Might be more noticeable if you were playing music, which I can't do. And again, no memory. So this is really ancient technology. And what did I say? $36? No. You can pass this one. I'm sorry, Thomas, but this one is a thumbs down. A big thumbs down. Now, the good news is Thomas sent me another radio, much newer technology, which has all the things that this one doesn't have. And I'll be showing you that radio coming up soon. Anyway, that's it. What can I say? This one, no good. Have a great day. Bye-bye.